Hi everyone, my name is Samantha and welcome to my YouTube channel, Sewing in Switzerland. So today I thought we could whiz through the Make 9 2024. If you're not familiar with Make 9, it's a huge thing on Instagram, and I'll drop the account that created the Make 9 in the description below, and you can kind of familiarize yourself with it. And the hashtag for that is Make 9 2024. And essentially sewists make a list of 9 projects that they want to complete over the year, and then you kind of revisit it throughout the year to see how you're tracking it. And it really helps identify year on year the gaps in your wardrobe, or just kind of make a cohesive plan. Some people use it for workwear or underwear or party projects, fun projects, you know, so it can be a really fun thing, and it's completely individual to you. There's like no pressure with it whatsoever. So I've got my Make 9 and I'm going to whiz through them. They're not new patterns, so I am going to whiz through them without the normal details, but I'll put because normally when we look at patterns we tend to look at them in a little bit of detail, but I will put all the links and what have you in the description below. So my first question to you guys is, are you doing Make 9 this year? Have you made them already? Like, have you made all the 9 garments? It's like the 3rd day of January, come on Samantha. But have you made the list of projects that you're going to be making? Is it something you normally do participate in, or is it new to you? I'm very keen to know and to hear what your thoughts are, and to hear your projects if you made a Make 9 plan. So yeah, my first one is the Atelier Dupe Florence wrap dress. Now I just need a really good, really well-fitting wrap dress. Just a seasonal dress that I can just hack and change depending on what season or whereabouts we are in the year, and then just revisit that and have that as like a real, you know, piece that I can just come back to and think, oh okay, well I'll make this up, or I'll hack it and turn it into a skirt, or I'll just make the wrap top. I just really need that kind of stability of a project that I can come back to and say, well, I'm in between projects, don't know what to make, I'll make a wrap dress. So yeah, that's my plan for that one. Number 2 is, and if you've seen my other video on New Year's resolutions, that explains why I've had this one. So it's the named clothing company, and it's the Isla trench coat. So I mentioned in the other video that one of my New Year's resolutions is to elevate the technical skills and technical sewing skills and work on some more kind of heavy going or bigger projects. And for me, one of that would be a trench coat. So I thought I'll put it on my Make 9 and then we can do it together, maybe in a series of videos. So let me know if that's something that interests you, because the other thing it's got all like the welt pockets and the vent and all the really fancy details for elevating those technical skills. So I thought it'd be a really nice one to combine a number of different skills in one place. So number 3 very slightly losing my marbles, okay. Number 3 is the Style Arc Miranda skirt, and it just gives really old school vibes of that Carrie Bradshaw Sex and the City skirt, you know, with the tulle overlay. And so I thought maybe I could make one of those, tuck a little shirt in for like a date night or something, just have some more fun going out outfit. This would be good. I really want to make a pink one. So yeah, I'm just trying to make my clothing more fun for this year, to be honest. So number 4 again relates to the second one with the trench coat, and it's the Jasika blazer from Closet Core Patterns. And I made last year the Friday Pattern Company heather blazer, and it's not very good for a bigger body, and I've discussed it before and the details just weren't great. So I'm wondering if we work on the Jasika blazer together, again elevating those sewing skills, if we could make a really great blazer. So then what I could do is compare all of the other blazers that I've made or jackets previously, and we can have a look and see, you know, what ranks where for fitting best, looking best, ease of comfort, that kind of stuff. So yeah, that's my plan with that one. Number 5 is the Vivan waistcoat by Fibre Mood. I just really want to be a waistcoat girl. And I'm not sure if it fits my aesthetic, but I just really want a nice blouse with a waistcoat over the top and some really fun fitted trousers. And I've got this really great canvas material with pugs on. It's like a beige kind of canvas, and it's got pugs all over it, and I've got some really fun buttons as well. So I feel like it's asking to be made into a waistcoat. But then I don't know how that's gonna fit on my body, especially with a large bust. So we'll give it a go. We'll see how it fits into the wardrobe. So yeah. Number six was a huge revelation. It's the Paper Theory company, and it's the Zade jumpsuit. I've never made a Zade jumpsuit. It's completely bypassed me. It's one of the huge Instagram sewing garments. You know, everyone you know in the sewing sphere has a Zade jumpsuit or has made multiple Zades, and I just never have. It's completely bypassed me, and I don't know why, so I need to remedy that. So that's on my list. The next one I need some help with. So you know, I said that I wanted a really nice pair of slacks and a nice blouse and then a waistcoat, and then of course we've got the Jasika blazer or the Isla trench coat there. So I'm going for like really curated outfits here. So what I've written down is M7724. I don't have my glasses on. M7724. So it's a really fun McCall's shirt pattern, and it's got loads of different details. It's got frills, it's got like little funny poofy bits, it's got a cold shoulder as well if you want that. And I just wanted a shirt that was just a little bit funky, a little bit different, something that you can mix and match. So I could just make a plain button down and then make a fun version. So I'm not sure that this is the right one, but I'm not sure what would be. So if you have any kind of slightly unusual or detail oriented shirt patterns that you love, do please recommend them in the comments, because I'm not sold on this one, but I'm not sure what to replace it with. So thank you in advance. So number 8 is the Assembly Line tie bow blouse. I wanted to make this one last year, but I just ran out of time, unfortunately. And it's got this nice kind of bow feature that you can leave off or button on and then, you know, tie it, and it's quite high cut, and it's just a nice blouse, really. I just wanted like a slightly dressier blouse that you could throw on to elevate an outfit or go out for dinner or whatever. Although actually I'm left-handed. I know I say this in most of my videos, so I'm really cat-handed when I eat. And I'm not sure having ties, like a big bow tie, to not dunk in food would be a better option. But you know, we'll see how we get on with the functionality. Number 9 is the Paradise patterns, which are only available on Etsy. So I'll link their details below, but they're very, very highly rated. And it's the I don't know how to say this, the Protea pants. If you know how to pronounce it, please say in the comments, because I really shoot myself in the foot every time. So the Protea pants are just a really great pair of trousers. They're very, very highly reviewed. They look good. They sit really nicely. They a lot of people who have made them have said that they don't need to make many fitting adjustments for them. So I thought it would just be a really nice way to have just a nice pair of well-fitting trousers that I could then mix and match with these shirts, these jackets and so forth. So that is my 2024 make 9, and I usually get to the end of the year about November time, realised I'd made none of them, and then frantically make about 6 of them. So we'll see how we get on. I've tied it in with my New Year's resolutions, so I hope they just kind of flow throughout the year, to be honest. So yeah, tell me what you think. Please recommend any shirt patterns that you've got, and please let me know if you're participating and following along with Make 9 this year. And it's very good to talk to you all. And if you haven't enjoyed this video, please do think about liking and subscribing, because it makes me very happy. And I will see you all soon. Thanks so much. Bye.